Guys, welcome to the Trucker John Show. We're back on the road. It's January 1st, New Year's night here. Left the house a little while ago, and I'm on my way up to Fulton, New York, where I'm going to pick up a load tomorrow for Conestoga, Pennsylvania. And I'll pick that up whenever it gets ready tomorrow, probably in the afternoon. It's kind of late right now. It is 11:30 p.m. 23 degrees out. We just got off of I-88 onto Interstate 81 going north here towards Syracuse. We have 97 miles left to go to where we're picking up at. I thought I'd get a little bit of video, get the show rolling again a little bit here. We've been off for a few days. Actually, let me see, the last video we had was from the 27th. So, been off about 4 days, 5 days. Pretty much was off all day today, really, technically. So, had about 5 days off and really kind of needed the rest. I was pretty worn out. Was pushing it pretty hard for the last few weeks before Christmas. And just the way things worked out. The crazy kind of schedule and the load canceling and then going again and all that kind of stuff, it kind of wore me down. But we got caught up on our rest, we got caught up on stuff we need to do around the house, and it's a new year. It's 2020, can you believe it? 2020. Alright guys, we are just coming into Syracuse here on 81. We haven't been up through here in a while. be getting off on 481 in about 4 miles. Been pretty quiet out tonight. It is New Year's night, January 1st, New Year's night, so not too much going on out on the roads. So I'm not too sure what's going to be happening with my loads going down to Huntsville, if we're still going to be getting some of those, or I was scheduled to pick one up on actually Tuesday, New Year's Eve, and they canceled it. So, and didn't really reschedule anything, so don't really know what's going on. We got to kind of get through these holidays and get back to our normal working week, and maybe things will pick up and get back to normal again. I don't know. As far as the guys up there in Latham, you know, they were telling me they expected to continue shipping on Sundays indefinitely for now. So I'm going to pick up this load here tomorrow, and it goes down to Conestoga, Pennsylvania. And maybe I'll hear something about a load out of Latham, and I'll still be in a good position to get back and get that. Or if they say they want to load a Huntsville load on Sunday out of Latham, then I can maybe find something else to do, another short load, or maybe even get another one of these Fulton to Conestoga loads. We'll see. We'll have to wait and see what happens. Probably really won't know much of anything till tomorrow afternoon. Here's our exit here, 481, going up to Fulton. I could have stayed home this evening and headed out tomorrow to pick up this load, but I wanted to be right up here where the shipper is, so I can start with a fresh set of hours tomorrow. I'll use up 6 hours getting down to deliver the load, so that'll leave me 5 hours to possibly head towards another load, or possibly head towards Latham. That's why I got some time to work with. And it's roughly 180 miles from my house to where I'm picking up here, and so that would cost me about 3 hours off my day. So I just waited till tonight, headed up here, and then I'll go to bed. The load should be ready tomorrow afternoon sometime. pick it up and head straight down to Conestoga, Pennsylvania. Okay, we are 7 miles from our pickup. There's a little truck stop right off this exit here, exit 14. I think this is Phoenix, New York, I believe. I'm not really sure, to tell you the truth. Yeah, they got some parking here. We'll see if we got a spot here. Otherwise, we'll go up into Fulton and park at the Walmart. Let's see. I guess technically it's not really a truck stop. It's a gas station with some truck parking. They got parking for us. Lined right up on that truck behind me. Okay, that wouldn't be good. Okay. That looks good. It's not the best parking lot in the world, but it's a place to park. All right, guys. All right, guys, we are parked for the evening. Oh, did you see? I buzzed all my hair off again. Yeah, was getting too long. All my cowlicks were starting to stick up. Can't do a thing with them. Got these two cowlicks on either side of my forehead that start acting like wings, and then on the back here is always sticking up. So either got to have it real short like this, or I got to have it real long, and I don't want to have it real long, especially being in the truck all the time. It's hard to keep clean that way. Anyway, yeah, so we're here at this gas station with truck parking in Phoenix, New York. It's handy. It's a place to park. They got a bathroom right here, and you got food and drink if you need it. So we're gonna spend the night here. Tomorrow's another day. We'll figure out what's going on after we deliver the load that I'm picking up tomorrow. Whether we're going to be heading back north to pick up a Latham load on Sunday, or maybe even Saturday. Who knows? Don't know at this point. So, or maybe something completely different. Anyway, so yeah, come back tomorrow. Will be another video, and hit that like button on the way out, or that thumbs up, like button, whatever you want to call it, and leave me a comment. And if you've been watching the videos and you're not subscribed, please consider doing that. Okay guys, we will see you again tomorrow. Everybody take care. Happy New Year again, and bye for now.